Hello friends, in this video we will see sending the data to the AdapterViews by creating the object. Okay, instead of sending the single string, we need to create the first object of all strings and then send to the ListViews or Spinner. Okay, we'll take the new project, change the constraint layout to the linear layout. We'll take the orientation as a vertical. By default the orientation of the linear layout is horizontal. We'll change it to the vertical. Okay. We'll take one simple design. We'll take three plain text, that means three edit text. Okay, now we'll send all the data to the list view. When I click on the button, all data to send to the list view. Instead of sending the single data, we'll create the object of the all three text and send to the list view. Okay, hope you understand this. Initialize all the text views. Okay, before that we'll design the text views. I will remove the text. I will change the first text as enter. Okay, enter employee name. When I click on the button, this will enter employee name. Second one, employee name and employee number. In the third text will take enter employee number. Okay, this is second text. Enter employee salary will take. When I click on the button, all three data sent to the list view. Okay, instead of sending the single string, we'll take one object, employee object. We'll store all name, employee number and salary into the object. Then we'll send the object to the list view. This is today's design. Okay. Change the text of the button to the add. Label gradient to the center. Button move to in the center. Okay, now we'll give ID to the list view because we need to initialize in the Java part. We'll give ID as alias 1. Okay, now we'll need to initialize all the edit text. 3 edit text, E1, E2 and E3. And the button B. And one list view. I'll take a variable of the list view is L1. To store the elements, I will take one array list. I will take all the type strings only. Array list type string only. Right. Okay, don't take the array list type string. Before that, we need to create the employee object. String. But don't take the type as a string. Okay, I will take a okay, its array list type is employee. Alt enter onto the employee. Okay, before that we'll go to the project application Java part. We'll create the employee class first. New Java class. We'll give class name as employee. Okay. We need to declare 3 variables. First is the name, number, and the salary. Public string name, number, and salary. For this we need 3 constructor and 3 getters and 3 setters. No need to write the code, just click the alt and insert. Okay, constructor, control A, the constructor is okay. Now getters and setters, this control A. Okay, yeah. The employee class is over. Now the array list type is employee. Yeah. Okay, now we need to declare the array adapter. Array adapter is nothing but the bridge between array list and the list view. Okay, first we need to transfer the array list data to the array adapter. After that, array adapter give to the list view. This is how the array adapter works. Okay, initialize the edit text by using the find by id r.review edit text. Just copy and paste. Oh. Wait a second. Okay, I will write again also. E1 equals to find you by id. That's why I don't copy and paste edit text. Now initialize the secondary text. E2 equals to all.id.edit text 3. Okay, button b equals to find it by id r.id button. Okay, now we'll initialize the array list. AL equals to initialize the array list using the new keyword. Don't initialize the array list by using find you by id, because that is not visible to the user. Okay, array list type is employee. Then the array adapter, new array adapter. The array adapter contains the 3 parameters. First one is this, second one is the android.or. This is nothing but the design of the text views inside the array list. Okay, layout. This is already given by the Google. And comma AL is nothing but the AL is third parameter. AL that is for the connection between the array list and the array adapter. Now lv.set adapter. This is for the connection between the array adapter and the list view. Okay, b.set on click list. New capital V. I will take one string name event.get text to get the text from the string edit text. Sorry. Okay, Same for the e2 string. Number equals to e2 dot get text dot to string. Okay, now we need to create the object of the employee e equals to new employee with the three parameters. First one is name, second one is number, and the third one is salary. Okay, now add this object into the list. al dot add e. Okay. A dot set notify. Okay, a dot notify data change. When you perform any task into the list, that means add, remove, and clear, we need to give the notify data change listener e1 dot set text. To refresh the text, I will give e2 dot set text, then e3 dot set text. After adding the data, that will be clear. Next, e1 dot request focus. Cursor is moved to the e1. Okay, now we'll run and see. Okay, this is the design. First we'll enter the employee name. I will add some employee number, employee salary. Okay, when I click on the add, okay, here what is it? Okay, now here we are adding the employee address, not the okay, employee details. For this we will go to the employee Java code, just type 2. It will give one string method, string. Okay, change it to the super, remove that one, give the return name plus slash, and for the next line I will add that number to the next line, number plus slash. Plus salary. Okay, I will run and see. Okay, this is design right now. We'll add employee name, and add. See guys, thank you guys, thank you for watching.